Hello future hackers, in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installation of Parrot OS on VMware. First we need to download VMware Workstation. Then after we have to download Parrot ISO file. First, open your web browser and search for VMware download. Click on this link. Click on Workstation Windows. And the download will start automatically. If the download doesn't start, you can click on the provided download URL to begin the process. Here we can see that the download has started. Now we need to wait patiently until the download is complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. We can see that the file has been downloaded successfully. Double-click on it to launch the installer. Click on Next. Tick the checkbox and click on Next. Next. Next again and then click Next again. Just follow the on-screen instructions and click Next when prompted. Here you can see the VMware Workstation interface. This is where you can create, manage, and run virtual machines on your system. Now it's time to download Parrot ISO file. Open the browser and search for parrotsec.org. Click on Download button. Choose Live option and go through security. Click on AMD 64. Scroll down and click on Download. Here we can see that the ISO file is downloading. We should be patient until the file gets completely downloaded. Open your VMware Workstation. Click on Create a virtual machine. Browse and select the Parrot ISO file. Click on Next. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Play Virtual Machine. Click on the first option and hit Enter button. Currently, it's in live mode, which is primarily for trial purposes and allows you to explore without actually installing it. To fully install Parrot OS, there's an additional installation process. Double-click on Install Debian. Select your preferred language and click on Next. Select your region and zone, then click Next. Select the keyboard model and click Next. Click on Erase Disk and then click Next. Fill all the details as you required, and keep in mind that to not forget the password that you have entered. Click on Next after these particulars are filled. Click on Install. Install now. During the installation process, Parrot OS takes around 20 to 30 minutes to complete. The duration can vary depending on your system's performance, so make sure to be patient as it sets up all the necessary components for a smooth experience. Click on Done, it will restart now. Parrot OS is a lightweight, security-focused Linux distribution ideal for ethical hacking, privacy, and development. It comes preloaded with tools for penetration testing and forensics, making it a top choice for cybersecurity professionals. Enter your password. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Parrot OS in VMware. Parrot OS is packed with many tools for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity tasks. One of its most powerful features is the terminal, which is essential for running commands and exploring its full potential. Dive in, experiment, and start your journey into the world of cybersecurity. Stay tuned, as I'll be making a video soon on essential Parrot terminal commands to help you get started. These commands will help you navigate the system, manage files, and utilize the powerful tools that Parrot OS offers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, the upcoming video will provide practical guidance to make the most of your Parrot OS experience.